Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily power off your Apple iPad Pro 2025 with the M5 chip. It doesn't really matter which iPad is this, the process is the same. At first you have to hold the power button, which is this top button, and the volume up button. Here we have slide to power off. Just pull this button here and lower the finger. I won't turn my iPad off because I do have application being installed in the background, but that's how to turn off your iPad. That's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.